Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 246. Power Platform CLI Model Version. During a recent Portals community call, I was asked about support in the Power Platform CLI for the enhanced data model. While I didn't know the answer during the call, I was able to track it down shortly after. When using the download or upload commands, there is a new -- model version parameter. You can also use the -mv alias. If you're using the standard data model, that is the old one with the ADX underscore tables, you can omit this parameter completely. However, if you're using the new enhanced data model, you'll want to use this parameter with a value of 2. With the enhanced data model now generally available, I recommend that you consider it for any new projects, as it is certainly the future for this product. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 246 on Power Platform CLI model version useful.